Kane is of medium height and build, blonde hair, with a mean, weathered face, and has an English accent.
English?
Yes, sir.
I don't speak English.
No?
I'm a bloody Australian.
Oh.
How can I send this to my mates back home and tell them what a big success I am here if it says I'm English? Bloody newspapers never get anything right, you know.
That's right. Marshal Dan Kurtz was unconcerned, saying, dead or alive, Kane don't matter. We got Cole Younger. He was the leader and brains of the gang. Kane was a follower and just a brainless no account. Without the younger brothers, he's nothing.
He's nothing? Without the younger brothers, I'm nothing?
That's right, sir.
Brainless no account?
That's what it said, yes, sir.
We'll see who's brainless.